Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can install the Shopify debut theme onto your Shopify website. So the debut theme has actually been removed from Shopify, so you can't get it from the theme store here. So you will have to download it externally. That's easy, it's fine. Just go to Google and then search up Shopify debut theme, and then just click on this. Where can I find and install the debut theme? Right here. Just click on that and then scroll down. And then once you have scrolled down, go onto this link here, the courtesy of M. Marian Co. Click on this, just click on it, and then it'll start a download. It'll say debut-main.zip. Once that's downloaded, go back, press on add theme, and then upload the zip file. Add file, and then put in the debut-main.zip upload file. Wait for it to upload. Let it install, give it a second. Now that it's installed, you can publish this, publish. It'll replace your current theme, that's okay. I'm going to publish. Theme published, and then if we press customize, you can see here, now our Shopify store has the debut theme.